Hi everyone, I am Venkatesh. So today I'll explain encode and decode string interview question in a simple manner. So the goal here is to convert a list of strings into a single string and back to the original list. So basically, I'll give a quick example. So in World War II, armies are used to send encoded secret messages. So enemies couldn't read them. So in World War II, armies used to send encoded secret messages, so enemies couldn't read them. So the receiver would decode it back to the original message. So we are doing the same thing here. So we encode the string and then decode them safely. So here we have an example list, which is hello and Java. So the encoding idea is like super simple. We write length plus backtick plus the word. Okay, let's take two examples. The word hello has five letters, so we write five backtick hello. And the word Java has four letters, so we write four backtick and Java. So we join them, five backtick hello uh, and four backtick Java. Okay, we join them. So remember, encode equals to length plus backtick plus word. Okay, now let's. This is an example. You can just take a look. Word length. We write length first, backtick, and the word. Okay, we are going to encode. We can write anything, not only backtick, not only backtick. You can write hashtag. You can write slash. This is just a separator. We are just doing encoding here. Okay, so the enemy couldn't know the password. Okay. So now let's decode this string back to the now let's decode this string back to the original list step by step. So here are like six or seven steps. So we put I at the start of the length, which is I. What is the starting? Which is I equals to 0. So we put I equals to 0. This is the step one. Okay. We move J unless you see the backtick. So if I zoom in here, as you can see, we move the J, we put I at the start of the list, which is 0. 0. What is 0? At index 0, we have 5. And at index 1, we have 1. We have a backtick. So we move the J until and unless you see a backtick. So once you see the backtick, so we stop at the backtick. So everything I to j minus 1 is the length. So what is in between I to j minus 1? So what is in between 0th index and jth index? It is 5. So the length is 5. Okay. Now we skip the backtick. So j becomes 2. We gonna skip this backtick. So this was 0, this was 1, and this was 2. Now take exactly five characters that gives us hello. Okay, five characters from J is hello. See, we can see as we can see here. Now I'll explain this. So we took I has 0, which is 5, and this is one index, and this is second index. Okay, this is second index. This is second index, and this is third index, right? So we took 5, and we took this. So the I was here first, okay, and the J is here, So this is ze zeroth index. So again, I'll explain you this. So we take it has I initially, and this has j. I has 0 and j has 0. So everything is in between I and j minus 1 is the length. So what is in between I and j minus 1, which is 5. So the length equals to 5. So now count 5 from j. So we will skip this backtick first. We will write j here. So from here we will calculate 5, which is Hello. So we got hello. Okay. This is how we got the we have done the decoding. Okay. As we can see, hello for Java. Okay. 5 backtick hello for backtick Java. We start at I, which is I, and J was at backtick first. We will stop at backtick once. So we will see the length in between I and j minus 1, which is 5. Now we will skip the j. So why we are skipping the j? So that we will get the exact 5 characters. So take 5 characters from j. What was j from j? Hello. So we move. So now, after getting hello, we will go to other thing. So we got hello. Now we need Java. So we will go. This was 5 and this was 2. We will move the I from here to here. So I was here, right? So we have to move I from here to here. So how many you need? 5. Okay. 5 plus these two, which is nothing but where was J? So which is J plus 5, which is equals to 7. So when we move to 7, we will calculate again. So the I becomes 7 and J moves 8, which stops at backtick. So when it stops at backtick, we will move that ahead, like for Java. So we will move the J to here. So from here, we will calculate 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will take that 4. So this is how the decoding process goes on. So we move to the end of the word I equals to 7. We repeat for length 4, take 4 characters. So now I'll show you so this was the full plan. So this was the dry line of the code. So it has the same thing. I'm just showing you over here. And code explanation. Now, code explanation is important. Now let's quickly understand this code. For each word, the code simply appends 3 letters, 3 things. One is length, one is append, one is the backtick, and another one is the word itself. Like Java, what we have done. What's the length of this? 4, backtick, Java. What for hello, what we have done? 5, backtick, hello. Length, backtick, word. Then we have done decoding, like this was I and this was J. We never stop at what's the length? 5. We calculate the length as 5, and then we move J to here, which is J. Starting from here, calculate 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we write 5 here. Hello, which is hello. So this is how we got hello. So if this easy, if this was easy, and it had helped you to understand encode and decode strings clearly, please like this video and follow me for more simple DSA explanations. I'll post more interview questions in the same easy style. So thanks for watching.